Hi, I'm Miki Tebeka. Here at Outdoor Labs, we value your time. So we created this series of short videos, each of them showing a cool feature of the Go language or one of the libraries. Enjoy! In this short, we are going to talk about the race detector. So here's a test. I have a counter, and then N is the number of goroutines, and M is the number of iterations each goroutine is going to do. We use a wait group to wait for them, and we spin N goroutine, each one going up to M, slipping a microsecond, and then incrementing the counter. Finally, we wait to the goroutines and check if the counter equals M times N, which is 10,000. So if you're going to run the test, it is going to fail because we don't see the same number. This is not 10,000. And you're going to see a different number depending on what's happening. And the reason is here, right? We have several goroutines accessing a shared resource without any kind of lock. So you can probably solve that with sync.mutex or maybe use atomic to do that. But how can I detect these problems? Sometimes I don't have specific tests to make sure that this is happening. So if you're going to the terminal and we are going to change to the race, I can go test and then add the dash race flag. And the dash race flag also checks for race conditions. And you see now that I get a nice stacked race with trace. It tells me exactly that line 21, which is this line, is the problematic one. The race flag is supported by the go run, the go test, and the go build commands. And the question is, why aren't we using it all the time? And the answer is performance. Memory usage may increase by 5 to 10 and execution time by 2 to 20 fold. And this is why the usual recommendation is run the tests with the dash race flag, but leave the code to run without it in your production or QA environment.